So, hey, what's up? I'm at Denny's right now with this old lady. Cherry Pepsi. Denny's, yeah. Huh, yeah. You know, sometimes you just want to take your old lady out, you know. All my bills paid for the month, so I'm kind of feeling happy about that, you know, like you. And there's a city bus just past the mall going down. Going down. It's going down for real. Hey.
Debbie can't hear, so you're gonna sign to her.
Oh. Just the TV behind me. I'm fucking Chinese as fuck. Look at my old lady. And, me and Renee just, we did it. We did it, you know, like, did it. Huh, Renee?
No comment.
Did we did it? We did it, huh?
Quiet, man.
Just say yeah.
Quiet, seriously.
She's so shy, but we did it. So,
No.
hmm?
Debbie said, she's supposed to say no. Ow!
Acting stupid in public. We're on a date too, and this is how we behave.
Wait,
Fuck
what?
Renee, you're Chinese. She said, "What's up, homie?"
Oh, hi.
Little squint ass. Fucking ching ching.
Pick a chicken bone.
Just out here, Benny's, you know. Oh yeah, for my homies, look at repping my Murder Gang Charm outfit. You.